In a world where accuracy and efficiency play a key role, high-precision navigation becomes an indispensable tool for many industries. For maintenance companies and maintenance of territories, accurate determination of the scope of work is an integral part of the process. For alternative energy companies, high accuracy is required for work planning taking into account complex terrain. High-precision navigation is what energy companies extremely need for planning, maintenance, and the construction of new networks. All these industries are helped by high-precision positioning with RTK technology, which provides centimeter accuracy of coordinate determination. RTK technology is a necessity for most enterprises. It provides accurate data measurements, determination of the scope of work, and confidence in strategic decision-making. The company Geometer International LLC is your reliable supplier RTK solutions, RTK receivers, subscriptions to the satellite correction network, and GNSS base stations for your business. Improve the accuracy of your work with Geometer.